Mountains in the way.
Okay, we just got dropped off at the cruise terminal here. It was maybe an 8 to 10 minute drive from the actual airport. Taxi system was really easy getting here. Still quite a bit of damage from the hurricane yet. It is 1:04:20, and looks like there's quite a few people on the line yet. This cruise leaves at 8 o'clock, so we still have 4 hours. Alright. Just went through customs in there. Alright. Going to board the ship now. Customs went pretty good. I had a power strip that got confiscated because you can't have extension cords or outlets. I brought this because there's only like 2 outlets in the room and I wanted to have a little bit more power to be able to charge stuff. Two. And that was fairly easy. They just gave me a ticket to fill out and I can pick it up after we get off the ship again. Got him.
Hello.
Yes. And they had some interesting stuff confiscated there. Iron for ironing clothes and some tools and some scissors, so not too many things though. Alright, just got off the elevator. Now here's our room right here. 6322. Oh yeah, here's our wine, fruit, and cookies or crackers. Surprise. I got a balcony instead of the regular room because it wasn't that much price difference.
Alright, how do I open it? Do this.
Oh, she's already in the food.
Cooperation with the seas, we actually made a special effort to
Alright, everybody's going to their mustering station right now, so sorry if it's hard to hear right now. Alright, we're in B15. Alright, here's our muster station right here. So, our room is directly above us right now.
Days I do remember, we were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons.
Alright, so we just got done with our muster station drill. That's probably the worst thing about going on a cruise, is having to get through that. I'm going to film a quick time lapse right now. I've got my setup out here and have my phone on the right and the GoPro on the left. It's getting pretty dark out now, so I'm going to do this real quick before we head out of port. Here's the view from our balcony. We're actually on this overhang part on the Adventure to Seas. And you can see all the people down there coming from their muster station yet, trying to get back to their rooms. And then we're going to head out and go eat at the Windjammer, which is our favorite restaurant. just looked off the balcony and realized that we were actually moving to see the rest of the ship.
Those hazy days I do remember, we were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way, couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand, open arms, this is home where we are, ever strong in the world.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.